Hi, this is Darren with DRD Racing Heads. Today we would like to show you how we machine seats in our cylinder heads here at DRD Racing Heads. We're using a vertical machining center made by Haas Automation. This is a 5-axis machine that we use primarily for all the machining operations in our heads and our engine building programs. This is a very high-tech piece of machinery. It can find centers of bores and locations of parts pretty much on its own with some programming. And what you're going to see today is the first operation that we're going to do is we're going to go over and grab a digitizing touch probe, and it's going to go in on each of the valves pockets that are existing right now, and it's going to find the center of the location of those pockets, and it's going to lock each of those locations into the Haas's control center. And then the second operation you're going to see is it's going to grab a 3/4 inch carbide end mill, and it's going to go in and machine all of those valve pockets to our specified diameter to ensure that we have the proper crush on the seat and we have extreme reliability on the seat with no failure. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. The cycle time on this is about 4 minutes, and you're going to see that this machine is pretty fast at what it does. A conventional machine shop or a manual machinist that is pretty proficient would probably be looking somewhere upwards of 30 to 40 minutes to do this job, and we're going to knock it out in about 4 minutes. So sit back and relax. Now what you're going to see is the touch probe is loaded, and every time you hear this beep from the controller, it's measuring a location in this valve pocket, seat location. And one seat location is completed. We're working on the second right now. Cycle time is about 20 seconds or so to locate the centers of these things. And now we're on our last location. Now what we're doing is we're machining the pockets to our specifications. As you can see that this machine moves at a pretty robust state. You know, it's pretty fast. And there's one down. One of the beauties of having a machine like this is you get the same part every time. So consistency is the name of the game when you have equipment like this. And our fourth seat right here, this is the last one. there you go. Finished part under 4 minutes, fully automated from DRD Racing Heads. Thanks for watching.